will and parachute all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders.
All right.
Father told me.
This is CC. I do my own stunts, everyone. Brace yourself. Just like Mr. Doubtfire, it's like a bus hitting a wall at 50 miles an hour with your legs open. So what we have here today is Bill. Bill, tell us about your knives.
Oh, we've got knives. First off, we have a collaboration piece that's about 4 years in the making. This is a Tom Mayo Dr. Death design with a hidden mechanism, scale release, hidden hardware, zirconium, gamma core. It just presentation pearl, just too much to talk about. It's just so much. We'd be here all day.
But she's all dolled up and ready to hit the road.
Up with an auction set to end in about an hour and a half. Beautiful action as a folder. And an automatic to boot.
Ooh, oh my.
Next we have the Umpqua series. This is the second series of 10 knives. This is using a beautiful Vegas forged wood grain Damascus that was made special with a VG core. Mother of pearl pivots, fat carbon, titanium, hand stippled. What more could you want? We've got just a few of these available for people who dropped out in the first 10. So if you want one, let me know. Next we have some beautiful cohos of Eric's. We have titanium, plain steel, and we have, for guys who don't like the Damascus, then we have zirconium and beautiful zirconium and gamma core blades.
Now these are some rare beauties right here. What about these knives right here?
Well, these came from Chris, who's sitting right next to me. These belong to him. And this is a beautiful, which model is this? Eric, yes. This is the, what's that? This is the coho right here, sure.
That Damascus,
beautiful,
that copper and blue,
Damascus.
Holy smokes.
Beautiful, along with the same as the back spacer and pocket clip, along with custom-made pivot screws and
the Damascus technology, what they can make now, oh, it's a good time to be knife alive.
The pearl is just absolutely
It
gorgeous.
pops. It pops.
Then we have Eric's brand spanking new, first to see it here, is his steelhead model with a spear point. People who didn't want the Warney style blade have been asking for this knife, and here it is. Just absolutely gorgeous.
And that is certified Have a Knife Day butter-like action. Butter-like action.
Butter.
Just like butter. Everything's better with butter.
Butter. Parquet?
Not Parquet. This comes straight from a cow.
Okay.
That's right, everyone. You come for the knives. You stay for the humor. I'll let you know when it starts.
What starts? Have we started recording it?
This time the little red light is on, everyone. Just remember, when you start videos, make sure the little red light is on, or it's all just practice.
Have a nice day.
And sir, to you, have a nice day also.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all the 82nd way.